Hey guys, welcome back. This is gonna be another tutorial video, and in today's video we're gonna take a look at how to send messages on TikTok. As you already know, there is no direct way to send a message. We'll need to do a few things in order to send a message or a direct message on TikTok. So if you also want to know how, then keep watching this video and let's get this video started. First things first, head over to your app of TikTok. Now you'll need to come over to your profile section here. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to post the photo to your TikTok first. So to do that, you can tap on this plus icon and you can tap on upload. After you select the picture, you can simply tap on next, and after that tap on post. Now as you can see, the video has been posted. Now you can again head back to your profile section, and there you can see that the video has been posted. Now to simply send it as a message, you can tap on these three dots, and here on the top you'll be able to see all your friends, but if you don't, you can tap on this search icon and search it there, and simply tap on the person that you want to send the message to and tap on send. Now if you head back to the chat section, you can see that the photo message has been sent. So that's the only way that you can send a message on TikTok. There's no other way that you can do it. You can only type in text, add in emojis, and maybe send some GIFs, and that's about it. To do it from the message section, you'll need to do it the way that I showed you. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more content similar to this.